Let's see how to iPad view Pubg Mobile in Android 2024. In the first step, tap on Settings. After that, choose Display and Brightness. Then modify Screen Zoom for a broader look. In the next step, tap on Settings. Later, go to Developer Options. After that, increase smallest width setting. In the next step, tap on Settings. Next, choose Accessibility. After that, turn on Touch Sensitivity. In the next step, tap on Settings. Later, select Battery and Performance. Now, switch on Performance mode. In the next step, launch Pubg Mobile, then open Graphics Settings. After that, adjust display to ultra-wide mode. You are good to go.